Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit more informal than my normal videos. I'm just kind of in my bathroom, just showered and ready to style my hair. I just received the newest Ouidad Vital Curl line, so I wanted to kind of try this out for you guys today and do a quick wash and go. So I'm going to go over some of the products that I have and then we'll get right into the styling portion. So I did cleanse today with the Vital Curl shampoo, and then I also used the Vital Curl Balancing Rinse Conditioner. I felt like the shampoo was okay. It was just a good cleansing shampoo. I did like it. It didn't dry out my hair at all. It felt like it really did get my hair clean, but Ouidad shampoos are all pretty similar for me. For me, this isn't really a must-have, but it was a good shampoo. In regards to the conditioner, it was absolutely amazing. This is by far the best Ouidad conditioner I have tried. It was so moisturizing and it had so much slip. One thing that I noticed is you have to make sure you're applying it with tons of water, like soaking wet hair, or at least wet the conditioner before you're applying it to your hair. But other than that, it was so easy to detangle. It rinsed out and just, it was so soft. So this, absolutely love this Vital Curl Balancing Rinse Conditioner. So now let's go ahead and move on to the actual styling products. These I have not tried yet. So I am going to be starting out with the Ouidad Vital Curl Define and Shine Styling Gel Cream. Then we also have a soft defining mousse. I have not used a mousse in a very long time, so I'm excited to give this one a try. And lastly, we have the Vital Curl Tress Effect Styling Gel. I do want to use both the regular gel and the cream gel today, just so I can give you guys an opinion on both products. So I'm probably going to be splitting my hair up like I normally do in my comparison videos and do kind of like a half and half with each product. So let's get started. All right, so to start out this half, I am going to be using the Define and Shine Styling Gel Cream, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the defining mousse on top. My first impression of this gel cream is it's actually a lot thinner than I would think a gel cream would be. It does have that bounce that a gel has, but by looking at it, it looks a little bit more like a gel than a cream to me. It seems like it's going to give a very lightweight hold, but let's start applying and see how this works. This product so far has a ton of slip. I'm really enjoying how it's gliding through my hair. Already I can tell that my hair really likes that gel cream product. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the Vital Curl Soft Defining Mousse on top. This side has the gel cream product and the mousse. This side does not have any product in it yet. I do want to try out this Tress Effect Styling Gel, so I'm going to be using this right on top of my curls. Then I'm going to go in with the mousse again and distribute that. So this gel does actually kind of remind me of the Climate Control Stronghold Gel. I really like the way this feels in my hair so far. I didn't even put a styling cream, but this feels very moisturizing. I love gels, and I actually prefer a crunch to my gels just to hold my curls better, and then I have more control of how much of the cast I want to take out of my hair. Alright guys, so these are the final results of the Ouidad Vital Curl line. Just by looking at both sides, first glance, there isn't a whole lot of difference. Even touching the hair, they are pretty similar in moisture and how they dried and texture and everything like that. But I will say that the side with the gel cream does seem to have a lighter hold. My personal recommendation would be for a looser texture or somebody that doesn't need as much hold but still wants a lot of moisture. I would definitely recommend to grab the Define and Shine Styling Gel Cream. On the other hand, for tighter textures or somebody that likes a lot of hold like me, and really wants their wash and go to last a long time, I would definitely recommend the Tress Effects Styling Gel. In the end, all of these products seem to really work on my hair and my hair texture. So I'm really looking forward to pairing these products with styling creams and seeing those results as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. As always, leave any questions or comments for me down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.